In this lesson, we will learn how to find whole number quotients with up to 2-digit dividends and 1-digit divisors.
We read this problem by saying 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 18 being our dividend, 3 being our divisor, and 6 being our quotient, which is the answer to a division problem. We can also rewrite this problem using a division house, which looks like this, with 18 going inside the division house, which is our dividend, the 3, our divisor outside the division house, and the 6, which will be located on the top or the roof of a division house.
Remember, in any form that division problems are written, you start by stating the dividend, followed by the divisor. Using the division house, the dividend always goes inside, the divisor outside, and the quotient on top of the house. Let's divide 63 by 7. We can write that problem the horizontal way, 63, divided by 7, or we could write it using the division house, just like we learned, 63 inside and divisor outside, which is 7. Now that we have our problem written down, we should ask ourselves how many times can 7 go into 63?
The inverse operation of division is multiplication. Because the divisor is 7, knowing our multiples of 7 math facts will help us get to the quotient. Our multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. So the question that we're trying to figure out is how many times 7 fits into 63. So let's count. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. 7 goes into 63 9 times. Therefore, if we know that 9 times 7 equals 63, then 63 divided by 7 equals 9. Or 7 goes into 63 9 times.
So your problem should look like this. Your 9 is your quotient, so it goes on the roof of the division house. Compare it to this problem with the 9 on top of the 6. It's wrong to put the 9 on top of the digit 6 of the dividend because that would mean 7 goes into 6 9 times, and that's not true. Your turn. Rewrite the following problem using the division house. 24 divided by 3. Remember, the dividend goes inside the division house, the divisor outside, and the quotient on top. Go ahead and pause the video to rewrite the following problem. Using the division house, you should have written 24 divided by 3. Divisor outside, dividend inside.
Now we should ask ourselves how many times can 3 go into 24? Because the divisor is 3, knowing our multiples of 3 math hacks will help us get the quotient. Let's read our multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Ask yourself, how many times can 3 go into 24? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 goes into 24 8 times.
Earlier, we learned that the inverse operation of division is multiplication. Therefore, if 8 times 3 equals 24, then 24 divided by 3 equals 8, or 3 goes into 24 8 times. Okay, so let's review. The problem should have been written as 24 inside of the house because it's our dividend, 3 outside of the house because it is our divisor, and the quotient we found out was 8 should be on top of the division house. And remember to keep that 8 on top of 24 and not 2 because 3 does not go into 2 8 times. So in this lesson, we learned how to find whole number quotients with up to two-digit dividends and one-digit divisors.